Okay, so there's a brand new niche on YouTube that is absolutely blowing up, with creators generating tens of thousands of dollars every single month.
Alright, we are here to make money, and when we see $10,000 a month, we are excited.
And they're not showing their face or revealing their identity. Just take a look at this channel that was started 3 months ago and has already gained 73,000 subscribers and made well over $10,000.
This is amazing. Question is, where did he get this screenshot from? Is this his own channel?
Now, the first video that they ever posted is currently sitting at 1.5 million views and is still going strong. But they're not alone in doing this. In the last few weeks, there's more channels like this that have popped up, and they're all getting crazy results. Now, they managed to keep the strategy a secret up until now, but in this video, I'm going to expose the 5-step blueprint that they're all using to get these results. Now, the best part about this strategy that I've created is that AI is going to do 95% of the work for us. You will not have to spend weeks editing videos, learning how to do all of that graphic design stuff, or any of those time-consuming tasks. However, before we get into the AI stuff, let's take a good look at the niche.
So this is the channel he was talking about. And the video that's posted 1 day ago got 1.1 thousand views. 3 days ago, 3,200 views. 6 days ago, 4,000 views. Now, 2 weeks ago got 3,000 views, but there is one video here, 11 days ago got 31,000 views. There is definitely something in this video because of which that video blew up. Let's go.
There's something you need to hear, and it might ruin the way you see yourself. You were never hard to read. Not to the people who mattered, not to the people who were paying attention. They already knew. The way your voice shifted when you lied. The way you laughed too hard when you felt invisible. The way you filled silences because being seen in stillness made you feel exposed. Someone read you once, not with words, but with attention. They saw the parts of you you have spent years trying to control, hide, or deny. And you did not even notice, because no one teaches you that being seen is not loud. It's subtle, it's slow, it's surgical. The best readers don't announce what they know. They simply never forget it. Nietzsche did not teach us how to read people to gain control. He showed us what happens when we don't, when we confuse the mask with the person, when we fall in love with someone's performance, or worse, when we believe our own. This video is not about mind tricks or body language hacks. It's about reading people at the level where truth leaks, in the pauses, the deflections, the tone beneath the tone. And by the time we are done, you won't just know how to read others. You will realize they have been reading you the entire time. This is not the beginning of clarity. It's the end of hiding. Most people think they are hard to read. They wear confidence like armor. They speak with rehearsed certainty. They present themselves as curated identities.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. All right, I need to stop here. This language is not regular language. So instead of researching on money, I want to go deeper and research something else. Definitely, I want the full transcript because I need to analyze. I will go to ChatGPT, paste it here, and I will use dictation mode and write a prompt. Hey, this is a YouTube video transcript. I want to learn about it. I want to learn the language. I want to learn the style. I want to learn the niche, because I feel the language is something specific for a specific audience, specific industry, specific experts, written by specific type of writers. I want every single detail, and I want to quickly decide whether I can make similar videos in the same niche or not. So let's go, analyze it for me, give me as many details and as many information as possible, and help me decide. Okay, that's the initial prompt that was in my mind. I just wrote it. But what I'm going to do before using this, I'm going to copy this And I will come to Claude because Claude is a specialist in prompt writing. So I will just paste it here and then type improve and supercharge the above prompt. Now let's see how it goes. I'm showing you prompt engineering, guys. So now look at the prompt, see where it is going. This is great. I will copy this. Then instead of this paragraph, I will type this complete prompt and hit enter. I could have done this with Claude as well, but there are things where ChatGPT is expert of and there are things Claude is expert of. In my opinion, for information, for analysis, for depth of, ChatGPT is the best, while prompt is better for subjective information. That's a lot of information. So I'm going to ask this. This is a lot of information. I want you to put them in a table. So all the information will be in rows and columns with proper names, categories, so anyone can easily read, understand, extract the information and utilize it. Go. Oh, I also want to mention, use 5th graders language. Make it as fun, as interesting as possible. Okay, looks good now. Subhanallah. Look at the information. Language and style, tone and voice is calm, emotional, serious, like a wise storyteller. Language style, words used, smart but simple, no hard science words, just feelings and big thoughts. Language and style. These are categories, by the way. Items, sentences, short and deep, like poems and quotes. Easy to remember. How it looks. No questions, just deep stories and feelings that hit your heart. Cool tricks, repeats, metaphors, and big emotions. Make your brain go wow. Okay, I want to see the audience because if this audience matches my customer's avatar, then I can use this niche, these stories to attract my customers. That's amazing. So the audience age is 25 to 45 years old. Not quite the exact right audience, but it's okay. My audience are a little old, like 35 to 55 years old. Anyways, what they do, maybe coaches, deep thinkers, artists, quiet leaders. Wow, this is what I want to avoid because they are not my people. I'm not their people. What they feel unseen, tired of fake smiles, want real truth and deep talks. Not my type. Not my type. How they learn? They don't want boring steps. They want to feel things and think big. What? I need action takers. Get out, work hard, and provide. What am I doing here? Okay, I actually want to go through a little bit to make sure I don't regret ignoring this niche in future. But you get the point. Let's say in case I found this niche as the perfect niche, what would I do? I would prompt again. Write a detailed prompt for me and tell me how can I implement that prompt in a step-by-step process and write these kind of video scripts. Go. You see where I'm going, right? Hit enter. AI is amazing. If you're not using it, you are keeping yourself poor. So that is the prompt. Although I'm not happy, we can always expand it, improve it. But here's the step-by-step implementation system. You can call this your mask decor script system, where mask equals meaningful, analytical, soulful knowledge. Wow. Now ChatGPT understands what I love. Step 1. Pick a powerful topic. Ask yourself or use ChatGPT to generate what are the 10 deep emotional topics people secretly want to understand about themselves or others. Example topics. Why confident people feel the most insecure. What? The psychology of ghosting. Why people fake happiness. That's interesting. What silence really means in a conversation. Silence means shut up, enough talks, where is the money? Why we self-sabotage when we are close to success. Alright, step number 2, use the master prompt. Open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt. At the end, add your chosen topic. ChatGPT, right here, write on the topic, why we chose people who don't love us back. Wow, that is deep. ChatGPT will give you a full script in poetic, emotional style. Then step 3, refine and personalize. Take the script and add a personal story. Even 2-3 lines about yourself or someone you know. Replace general lines with specific visual details. Like he sat silently. He sat there, coffee in hand, pretending the silence wasn't screaming. And 2 to 3 callback lines throughout the script, like they weren't lying to you. They were protecting themselves. Too philosophical. Wow. Record the voiceover. I'm not going to record anything. AI will do. Use your voice. Use 11 Labs. Yes, Habibi, I'm going to use 11 Labs. Play.ht for an AI voice. Oh, I learned something new. That's a distraction, but I love it. Play.ht, Habibi? Oh, yes. What's the pricing? Is it better than ChatGPT or worse? Unlimited for $49 a month? What have I been doing? Well, I've been using HeyGen, and HeyGen connects with 11 Labs directly. For monthly, unlimited is $99. Subhanallah, that's totally double, Habibi. You know what? This is something I'm going to try. Unlimited is amazing, right? We're gonna pay monthly, annually, doesn't matter, but unlimited is unlimited. I can provide it. Oh, because it is unlimited, API is not accessible. So API has a separate cost. That's okay. We learned something new. Speak slowly, calmly, pause after important lines. Add soft background music. Create the visuals. Stock videos? Shut up. We're going to use AI generated video loops. Probably Google VO3 or whatever. Post plus caption like a poet. I love the final tip. Rewatch 2 to 3 videos in the niche, transcribe one by hand, and study the sentence rhythm where the emotional twist happens. Which lines feel like aha moments? Wow, that's a lot. ChatGPT gave me 10 script topic ideas to get started as well. Ooh. Now what I'm going to do is this. I will copy the prompt and go to my most favorite. Cloud, start a new chat, paste this. I will just choose this, the secret life of overthinkers, because all of us overthink. Topic, boom boom, let's hit enter and think later. Yes, let AI do my job, Habibi. Here you go. It looks like it's going well. This is so cool. Now I need one more thing. You know what? Now I need a table. A table for image prompts and where they start and where they end. So these are the prompts for images to use in the video. And the third column here is where the image will start showing. And the next column is where the image ends and transition to the next image. And the last column is the emotional bit. Now, these are a lot of images. Basically, image changes for every 7 to 9 words, which was a little too much, but I just showed you how it works. So now I'm going to ChatGPT, create a new chat, and type draw image 1 and hit enter. And then I will go to a new chat in the browser. I will copy the second prompt, type draw image 2. Then I will type number 3. Now at this point, image 1, image 2, and image 3 are creating together. If you wait for one image at a time, it will take a long time. So it's an idea. I don't know how long ChatGPT will allow this, but let's hope they will for a long time. Now these images are not quite right because they're vertical. I want to make horizontal videos like this, but the way it's going is super nice. Look at the image. It's not easy to write a prompt like this and actually create images like this. At this point, this is what I'm doing. I create a new tab, go to ChatGPT and copy the full prompt with number and then type in ChatGPT draw image space hyphen and before hyphen Control V. No, that's wrong. I just need to add a hyphen after the number and then hit enter. Then don't wait. Go to the next tab, copy the whole prompt with the serial number, go back to ChatGPT, type draw image space Control V, put a hyphen after the number and then hit enter. Do you know why I'm so cautious about the numbers? Because when I will create the video, these numbers will help me use the right image at the right place because there are a lot. It takes time to create 70 images, Habibi. I basically want to ask ChatGPT, how many images can you create in Midjourney simultaneously? The pro version of Midjourney is $60 per month and it will allow you to create 12 jobs at a time, which means, wow, that's a lot. Oh, this is in their document. Well, they have an interesting term. You must purchase the pro or mega plan if you are a company making more than 1 million USD in gross revenue per year. What, Midjourney, really? Who are you, Habibi? But anyways, that's their terms of service. If you want to use their service, you have to honor that. But we know that they can give you 12 fast or 3 relax images. Wow, look at these images. These are wild. Subhanallah. You can actually do a lot with with ChatGPT itself. And look at this interesting thing. Image 8 was drawn twice. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Almost identical. This is nice. Okay,
You think you can get away with saying that stuff to me over the internet?
Wow. That's Play AI. Wow.
All right, so instead of our regularly scheduled programming, there's something hairier.
Lots of amazing AI voiceovers, and you can use unlimited if you are going annual and unlimited plan. Guys, let's go back and have a look at the images generated by ChatGPT, which is absolutely insane. This is number 2 and this is number 3. This is number 4. That's number 5. This is number 6, number 7, and number 8, number 9. Not bad. It didn't take time. So basically, we have a complete story. We have prompts for images. We have the full plan, where to start the image, where to end the image. We literally have everything to make videos. With this, do you think we can make videos like this? Probably. At least we can try. This channel makes somewhere between $84 to $1,300 per month from these videos. That's absolutely not bad. And you, my friend, just learned how to do it all by yourself. What if $1,300 a month is not enough for you? If this is not enough, and it shouldn't be, then my highest recommendation, you should go to this website, moshbari.com, or scan this QR code and watch this full training. This training will show you how we run digital marketing business using AI, automation, and how we help beginner 9-to-5ers just like yourself earn $500 commissions using a 99% done for you system. We will see you at the training. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family, because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.